Hi kids, today we are going to start our new chapter. This chapter is actually a small story which has been taken from Aesop's fable. Aesop was an ancient Greek storyteller, and fable means these are small stories which have moral at the end. The story which I am going to tell you today is about the boy who has sheep, and name of the story is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once there was a shepherd boy who lived in a village, and every morning that boy he takes his sheep to graze in a pasture nearby his village. Here pasture means it is a land which is covered with the grass. So every morning he takes his sheep to the pasture and come back to the village in the evening. One day what happened? The shepherd boy, he took his sheep to graze in the pasture near a dense forest. And dense forest means there are a lot of trees. And what he did, he left the sheep to graze in the pasture and he sat under a tree. And there he felt very lonely and very bored. When he was feeling very bored, what he did, he thought of a trick. So what he did, he started shouting loudly. And what he shouted, wolf, wolf. And as a result of that, what happened? All the villagers, they got frightened and they got panicked that what happened. So in that condition, panic condition, they all came over there to the pasture. When all the villagers, they reached to the pasture, they didn't find any wolf. But instead of that, what they find, the shepherd boy, he started laughing at them. Saw that the boy is laughing at them. They all got very angry and they realized that the shepherd boy had fooled them. The villagers scolded the boy and left from there. But the boy was extremely pleased with his prank. He was enjoying that moment. So student, after a few days, what happened? The shepherd boy again wanted to have some fun. So what he did, he again tried the same trick. He again started shouting loudly, wolf, wolf, help, help. So all the villagers, they again got frightened and they again came there to help him. But when they reached there, they found nothing. So all the villagers again got angry at him. They got enraged at him. After a week, a wolf actually came there. Now he started attacking at the sheep, and the boy, he got scared. He was helpless. So again he started at the top of his voice to call the villager. He shouted again, wolf, wolf. But no one came there. All the villagers, they thought that again this might be a prank. So nobody came there. In the meantime, what happened? The wolf, he killed all the sheep. He ate his sheep, and the boy got very upset. And he came back home. And when he came back home, he went to the villagers and he asked them, why didn't you all come to help me? Then all the villagers, they replied him that nobody believes a liar even when he speaks the truth. So what happened? Then boy, shepherd boy, he felt very regretted for his actions. So he got in a deep sorrow. So student, that was the story. So what did you learn from the story? So the moral of the story is that we should not speak lie. We should not tell lie. That was the story. Now we will have the reading of the chapter. Now students, we will have the reading of the chapter. Listen it carefully where I am taking the pause and listen the pronunciation of the words properly. Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd boy in a village. He used to take his sheep to graze in the nearby pasture. He stayed with the sheep the whole day and returned to the village in the evening. One day, the shepherd boy took his sheep to graze in the pasture near a dense forest. After he had left the sheep to graze in the pasture, he felt very lonely and bored. Therefore, he thought of a trick. He ran towards the village and shouted, "Wolf! Wolf!" Feeling very scared and panicked, all the villagers came running to the pasture. However, when they reached there, they didn't find any wolf in the pasture. Instead, the shepherd boy started laughing at them. All got very angry when they realized that the shepherd boy had fooled them. The villagers scolded the boy and left from there, but the boy was extremely pleased with his prank. After a few days, the shepherd boy again wanted to have some fun. He tried the same trick. He again shouted, "Wolf! Wolf!" Feeling frightened, some villagers came to help him again. But there was no wolf. They were enraged at the boy. After a week, a wolf actually came out from the forest and started attacking the sheep. The shepherd boy got very scared and shouted at the top of his voice, "Wolf! Wolf! Please help! Wolf! Wolf!" However, no villagers came out to help the boy. They remembered the earlier times and thought that the boy was fooling them again. The wolf killed many of his sheep. The shepherd boy was very upset. When he came back home, he asked the villagers, "Why didn't you come out to help me?" They all answered, "Nobody believes a liar even when he speaks the truth." Thus, the shepherd boy regretted his actions and was in great sorrow about his lost sheep. So, students, that was the reading of the story. So, you all will read the story carefully with proper pronunciation and proper pause. Thank you.